guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video because I'm going to be unwrapping some goodies. I went to a Guess event about 2 weeks ago and it was called The Art of Guess. So what Guess was doing is that they were collaborating with Philippine artists and there were all sorts on show. So there was a whole lot of jackets with artwork on the back. I saw a really great one that had the Godfather on it and I was like, yes, if I could like try that on right now it'd be great, but it was so neatly propped up on a board that I didn't want to touch it. I saw a tote bag that someone drew like a little bit of surrealist art on that was really cool. I was so impressed with that. I was looking at it, I was like, whoa, that looks just like the real thing. I think it was from Salvador Dali, I'm not sure. Trying to remember like the landscape with all the blue and the black colors, and yeah, if you know it you can comment below and let me know which one it is. So if you want to know more about this Guess event, you can definitely just go on to Instagram and you can just chuck in the hashtag The Art of Guess, and there's like all sorts on here. I'm trying to not like get the ring light flashing on it. Let's just get a little bit closer. You can see the camera focus. So there was a lot of people there and it was such an awesome event. So one of the really cool things at this event is that you could create your own Guess tote bag. So they had like fabric paints, they had like letters that you could glue on with like fabric glue, and I realized that I say like a lot in my videos, which I'm going to cut down on because I need to be more proper. I got to make one and I'm going to show you what I did. This is mine. I got TPD Girl. If you already follow me on Instagram, then you know that I'm a TPD girl. I also have TPD Beauty, but I didn't put that on there because you can only fit one. I struggled to find a G, and I finally found a G, and it was the perfect G ever because it symbolizes yes. I got a little fabric paint on it because I was just too creative and I went a little bit cray-cray on the other side. I'm going to show you the other side. It was fabric paints and I was like, yeah, I'm going to like do one side really cool and then just go nuts on the other side. So I'm going to show you my kindergarten artist, well, art. So here is the other side. I glued on a Guess, yay. There's my name. Stamp prints, like sponge stamp prints that you could put paint on. And then there's another Guess sign. So that was really cool. I had so much fun. I felt like a little kid again. And I like making stuff. I like arts and crafts. I like building stuff. I just, when I saw that I could make something, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna like make the best bag ever. To me, it is the best bag ever. Although there is room for improvement, but yeah. Anyways, I got a personalized Guess tote bag. What do you have? So with that I also got a goodie bag. Now the goodie bag is actually inside here. It did come in its own bag, but like it's been 2 weeks and this bag has been all places because I've been traveling around and moving around, and yeah. So I'm going to open it up and see what I have inside. I'm going to show you guys and I'm going to see which is the biggest item. So the biggest item is this Guess drink bottle. I can put my special drinks in there, if you know what I mean, like my special drinks. And it's huge, like this is massive. Oh, this is cool. Ring light. So that is so cool. I'll demonstrate how you put it on. So I'm assuming if you're doing a selfie, you're going to just put it on like that. And you're going to go straight into your selfies once it's on. There's a button up here, so I think once the batteries are in, then it's going to work out fine. Oh, I got some Guess stickers. So like, I can just turn anything into Guess right now. Okay, next thing. Oh, this is in a box. Okay, so I'm going to show you the box. It looks so fancy. I don't know what's in here, so I'm gonna open it up. Oh, it's leather. Okay, it is a leather passport holder, which is perfect because I now have two passports. I am now a dual citizen of New Zealand and the Philippines. So I actually needed one of these, which is perfect because I've only got one passport holder. Now I've got two. Oh, what's this? Okay, we got another little black box. This one's a little bit smaller. And let's have a look. So it's got the guess thingy on it. Cool. And I'm just opening it up. It looks like it's a mirror. So let's have a little peeky weeky. So that's the, trying to let it focus. So that's the front of it. And I'm just gonna open it up. Oh yes, it is a double mirror. But yeah, this is cool. I can carry this around in my handbag. So that's everything in the goodie bag. It's some really cool merchandise. I'm really excited for that passport holder because, like I said, I needed another one. Keen to try out the big bottle slash mug slash straw thing. I've definitely got some things I can put in there. Anyways, make sure you subscribe. I put out videos every week. You can check out my other pages. I've got a few Instagrams linked down below. I've got a blog. I've also got a Facebook page that you can check out. And that's it from me. And I'll see you in the next video.